Good morning there, Facebookers and YouTubers and viewers and everyone else in the world. It's Big Sammy at you, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of roofing here. As you guys see here, we've got our ladder set up. I'm getting ready to do some roofing because we had a heavy rain here in the south, and we had a leak through the roof last night. So we're going to get on the roof. So this is just a little FYI, do-it-yourself kind of deal if you don't want to pay a roofer, or you want to try to tackle this thing by yourself. First of all, don't be scared of our heights, because we do have heights. Set up your ladder to that 4-to-1 ratio. So every every 4 foot you go up, you should lean it out 1 foot. If you're scared of a roof, you should be having somebody hold the ladder. As far as me, I do this for a living, so I'm pretty not scared. That's a sentence. Use 2 hands as you get coming up. I know I didn't use it. Do as I say, not as I do, and that don't mean to be rude. All right, so here we go. What I did yesterday is I went up under the roof yesterday, in the attic ceiling area, and I seen we were in the bathroom, and I seen a slight leak coming from the bathroom ceiling, actually from the exhaust fan. This is a fairly new roof, as you guys see. It doesn't have a lot of age to it or anything else. Everything's been done. So what I did is I measured the roof, found out where the leak was coming. We've got a few things going up underneath there where the water may be coming in. What I measured up underneath from the stack here, that's the vent stack for the toilets and stuff. I measured back about 3 feet, and that puts us about right in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to peel up these shingles all in this area. I'm going to try to find out where the shingle stops at. Like if it stops over here, I'm going to peel it up to the next one, and then we may peel it down a little bit, but we're going to try to find out where the roof is leaking at. Items you may need for this: a flat bar so you can get up under the shingles like this and break the shingle loose. And they're going to be kind of a pain to get loose because they got a tar up underneath them. But you can lift them up like that. And what we're doing is we're trying to find the area where it's leaking at. And we're going to look for a busted shingle. We're going to look for, penetrations in the roof. If this crack of the shingle was over here, where water's coming down and going right in that crack and going on the shingle, that would be an issue that right off the bat we could find out. But for right now, we're gonna cut the video, and I'm gonna peel some shingles up, and I will let y'all see what I got. Like I said, flat bar, get the shingles up, try to be as careful as you can, because if you rip the shingle or cut it or jam it or damage the shingle, you will have to put more down. So, and then make sure you got your right color shingles. These are the shingles that were left over from the job, and it'll blend in pretty good because like I said, it's not a new roof. Not only that, it's on the back side of the roof. All right, we'll come back with you guys in a little bit.